What's up, guys? Welcome to Revline 89. Today we're talking about another upgrade that we did on the Mustang, and that is our alternator right here. So we went with the black powder coated. This is actually a 200 amp alternator, and we went with that because I wanted to be able to handle whatever we add to the car, bass, lights, whatever. And we'll go in more detail on my battery as well. I'll try and put a link in the video description where I got this. It's definitely not cheap. This is Tough Stuff Performance 8437C alternator, Ford Mustang 4.0 2008 V6 alternator by Tough Stuff Performance. Current amp 200 amps, pulley type. It works with OEM. It does work with your OEM wire. However, because I don't trust that, we did upgrade our wire. So it does work with OEM wire, but we ran a separate wire directly because with my experience, I prefer doing that. So that's the alternator. Now, in the same video I'm going to talk about, we also did upgrade to a red top performance battery, which is 1000 cranking amps, 800 cold cranking amps, 50 AH and 100 RC. And when we upgraded this, I thought we did them both at the same time. So we also upgraded our wire gauge wires. So we went with a thicker wire, not only for the alternator, which runs right here, but for the ground as well. So we rewired that up better. I just wanted to have a big enough, thick enough gauge so we have no issues. And we've had this for over a year, no issues. Okay, on to the next mod.